Right.
Grandma, I made this and then this kind of these two vehicle kind of things are named, and this one is a crocodile and his name is Crocodile Car, and this one's something that it eats. I haven't named what it's gonna be yet. It's gonna be like an animal with a sword for its tail. I'm going to this, so this can break off, so it can eat it easier. And this is its mouth, so you can put one in there. And then if I break off this part and take this part off, I can put
Quick types.
this bit or this bit on, and I want to put this bit on.
There you go.